Okay, so you're a TBD, English TBD major, but you can't figure out what the heck is going on with how these courses are organized. We're going to do lunches, and maybe that will help you figure it out. So here we go. First of all, there's 4 intro courses you have to take. So these are the lunches. Here you go. The lunches, these were packed for your mom, by your mom, right? So that means they're all set. You don't have to worry about what's in them. Your mom has handled it. Those courses are 419, which is the Intro to Literature, 510, which is the Intro to Digital Studies, 602, which is that's the Advanced Professional Writing, and then, well, first you take 501 or 2 or 3. You do have a choice, 501 or 2 or 3, which is our writing courses. And then 602, which is Advanced Professional Writing. Okay, and so those are great. You know, as usual, when your mom makes your lunch, those are great. You've got, like, let's see what's in here. You've got there's a Kit Kat. There's an orange and a sandwich. 510 has a napkin because it's your mom, and some lemon lime seltzer. Like, there's good stuff in all of this. You don't have to worry about any of it. What's in here? Bag of nuts. You know, these are good for us. These are good. So we're all set with those. Those are the 4 that are all set for you. You don't need to worry about. But then there are 6 more courses. Okay, so we got 6 courses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in those 6 courses, you have to include this stuff. All right, what is all this stuff? First of all, 5 out of those 6 courses need to be at the 600 or 700 level. So that's the apples. We got 5 apples. 3 of those courses have to be DH designation, which means Digital Humanities, and that sort of changes every semester. Depending on the course, you have to check whether a course has a DH designation or not. But we got these 3 Skinny Pop popcorn bags. They're the DH. 2 have to be pre-1800 literature. So we have 2 maple pecan kind bars. Those are the pre-1800 lit. And 2 post-1800 lit, which are the mocha almond kind bars. And then we need 1 course in race constructions of race and race theory, which is this bottle of water. So you got to figure out how to put these all in the bags. Let's see if we can do it. Get all our stuff out. Okay. So let's start. Suppose you take Shakespeare, right? So here's 657 Shakespeare. Shakespeare is a pre-1800 literature course because Shakespeare wrote in the 1600s. It is a 600 or 700 level course. So you put an apple in there, and sometimes it's caught with a DH. If, like a lot of semesters it is. A lot of the Shakespeare teachers will teach with a DH, so then you get to put your Skinny Pop in there. Then you're good, you got Shakespeare. Okay. Suppose you like this early literature stuff. You decide you're going to keep going, and you're going to take medieval epic and romance, which is English 751. So that also gives you the pre-1800 lit. It also gives you the apple, but it doesn't give you the popcorn because that one is not being taught as a DH. How about you want to take a writing course? Creative nonfiction, 623, is almost always taught as a DH, so that gets the popcorn. It is also a 600 level, so it gets the apple. It's not a literature course, so you don't get any kind bars in it, but it fulfills those other 2. So you see how I'm going here. If you take a 500 level course, like this would be British Literature, 514, you would get the post-1800 lit in there, but not the apple, or the popcorn. But you still get the post-1800 lit. If you take 738, that's Asian Americans and Culture course, That will give you an apple because it's 600, 700 level, and it will give you the race requirement water because it falls under that category. So that's what you have to do. You need to just organize all your lunches in lots of different ways. If you sort of don't fit everything into those 6 courses and you really want to take a 7th course to fit everything in, that's okay. I mean, it will, as long as you have room in your schedule, you can do that. You don't need to take those, you don't need to take 7 courses, but you need to get everything here in the lunch bags. So you have to get all your lunches in the lunch bags because your mom went on, what happened was your mom went on a business trip and she left you directions. You have to get these lunches made in a healthy way. Okay, so we've got our 4 lunches and our 6 lunches, and there's a lot of lunches here. Now, there's one more course, which is the capstone, and this is like your crazy Aunt Molly comes to town. Well, we should say your cool Aunt Molly comes to town. This is $7.96, and she gives you this cool lunch bag. $7.96 is the internship course. It's got all kind of excellent stuff in it. What do we have in here? We have hot sauce, some butterscotch chips, some organic orange blossom honey, can of Pam, some probiotics in case your stomach's bothering you, a couple cherries, and a $10 bill with a note that says, "In case I forgot something, smiley face." Point being, the capstone is very cool. It's an internship you set up with the professor to actually teach, actually work somewhere. But those are all your lunches, and those are all your requirements.